Hello guys, I hope that you are doing well. So today I would like to introduce you a new DAO that is called Akropolis. We will get into some legal and regulatory issues that they are currently dealing with. We will see how WACEO, its community, can give them support and how to comply with decentralized governance. So let's start. What is Akropolis? Akropolis is a provider of decentralized financial products. This software allows developers to launch decentralized applications that provide user-owned and operated cryptocurrency-based financial service. Akropolis operates an Ethereum-based decentralized financial protocol that seeks to provide an autonomous financial ecosystem for saving and growing wealth, including through borrowing and lending. In order to ensure the security of its protocol, the company uses the governance token, Akro, whose transactions are based on a proof-of-work consensus algorithm of the blockchain. The purpose of Akropolis is to give its users the ability to both launch new DeFi protocols and grow their cryptographic assets. Akropolis provides DeFi service. What is DeFi? DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance, and it's a type of computerized monetary system built on public blockchain with the intention of transforming financial products into secure and transparent transactions without the intervention of intermediaries. So what WACEO does exactly? WACEO completes a light audit on some legal and regulatory risks that Akropolis can face. WACEO is established a non-profit association to build a trusted environment where compliance-seeking DAOs can interact with competent service providers to support them with the novel legal and regulatory challenges that DAOs face. The light audits will give a basis for DAOs to clarify the risks that they can find and to give some solution to solve them. Concerning the applicable law, we have to distinguish the territorial principle, that is the right of a state to exercise its jurisdiction on its territory, the active personality principle, this is the right of a state to exercise jurisdiction over their own citizen, and the passive personality principle, this is the right of a state to exercise jurisdiction over a person harming one's citizen. But as we know, Akropolis is a Gibraltar company, and as a Gibraltar company, it is ruled under Gibraltar and UK regulation. In the terms and conditions on the website, it is written that the company reserves the right to investigate and prosecute violation of these terms to fullest extent of the law and to cooperate with the law enforcement authorities in prosecuting violations of the law and the terms set on its website. Concerning the financial regulation, we have to notice that while the purchase of electronic money is not directly regulated in Britain, the offering of a financial instrument linked to cryptocurrency requires authorization. The UK has banned purchase on the world's largest cryptocurrency platform. The Financial Conduct Authority has taken action against Binance Market Ltd, a centralized online exchange platform offering financial service. The FCA is stepping up its supervision of cryptocurrency trading. Since January, the FCA has required all companies offering cryptocurrency-related service to register and prove they are compliant with anti-money laundering rules. In order to comply with the anti-money laundering regulations, Akropolis has to comply with the Know Your Client or Know Your Customer process. In this way, this mechanism protects both clients and investment advisors, in that the former will be advised by the investment advisor as to which investments are more appropriate, while the latter are protected in that they know what they can include or exclude from clients' portfolio. And concerning the data protection, we can notice that in determining the conditions of the website, there is a document concerning the relevant information about the privacy policy. Akropolis may collect information and statistics collected utility about the visitors and the users of the website. For individuals who are in the European Economic Area, the United Kingdom or Switzerland, at the time of collection of their personal data, the processing of personal data will be governed in accordance with Article 6 of GDPR. If personal data collected on a European territory is transferred outside the European Union, it will only be transferred if the European Commission considers that such a country provides protection for such data in a manner commensurate with that provided in Europe. So, one problem that Akropolis can face is the fact that it has to comply with the rules contained in GDPR. Concerning the tax law, Her Majesty's Revenue Encampment has published guidance on paying tax on cryptocurrency in the UK. Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs does not consider cryptocurrency to be money or currencies. It considers cryptocurrencies as assets, so as crypto assets, and for them it is a relatively new type of asset. The tax focus is on three types of crypto assets, namely utility tokens, security tokens, and exchange tokens. However, the tax regime is currently only available for exchange tokens. Anyone in the UK who holds cryptocurrency asset as a personal investment will be taxed on any profits made on these assets. According to Her Majesty Revenue and Customs, capital gains taxes only need to be paid when selling cryptocurrencies. So in this case, it would be appropriate to question the profitability of the product. Akropolis is set in Gibraltar, and so we have to remember that Gibraltar has no tax on capital gains from cryptocurrency investments. However, for companies there is a flat of 10% tax rate applied to cryptocurrency trading. So when joining a DAO, the members should not only be aware of the technical but also legal and regulatory risk. It is important that DAOs organize to develop and implement compliance roadmaps to achieve sustainable growth in line with legal and regulatory frameworks. WACEO is established a non-profit association to build a trusted environment where compliance-seeking DAOs can interact with competent service providers to support them with the novel legal and regulatory challenges that DAOs face. These lead audits will provide a basis for DAOs to begin to clarify the risks that they face and work as a community to solve them. It's important also to underline that the information for this audit coverage was sourced from public sources. The audit should not be constructed as investment or legal advice. I would like to thank you for your attention. Goodbye.